Hello dear children, welcome back. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Children, today we are going to do chapter number 12 of our course book and it is a poem. The name of the poem is Rain in Summer. It's a very beautiful poem, small and beautiful poem. Also the name is very interesting, Rain in Summer. This poem is written by H.W. Longfellow. Okay, who is the poet? H.W. Longfellow. Suppose it's the summer season. The summer season is going on. Okay, and it's a very hot day. Right? Suddenly it starts raining. एकदम से रेन होने लगती है. Then how will you feel? कैसा लगेगा आपको? Of course, you will feel happy. Right? Because everyone enjoys the rain in summer. You will also enjoy, right? Here in this poem, the poet is also very happy. He enjoys the rain in summer. Here he describes the beauty and comfort of the rain in the summer season. So do you want to read? Let us start. Before starting the poem, we will learn some new words and their meanings first. Okay, number one is fiery. Fiery means very hot. Number two is clatters. Clatters means makes a noise. Then tramp. Tramp means the sound of footsteps. Okay, sound made by walking, footsteps. Hoofs. Hoofs means covering of the foot of animals. Animals के foot की covering, outer covering. Hoofs. Okay. Then gushes. Gushes means flows forcefully. Flow karna. Forcefully means with pressure, with force. Okay, children? Then throat. Throat here means a narrow opening. Okay? Spout. Spout means an opening from which water can flow. Like the mouth of a pipe. एक पाइप का माउथ क्या होगा? एक ओपनिंग होगी जहां से वाटर फ्लो कर सकता है. An opening from which water can flow is called spout. Then swift. Swift means very quick, very fast. Okay? Dear children, let us recite the poem. How beautiful is the rain after the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street. In the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it struggles and gushes out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide, with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars, the rain, the welcome rain. How beautiful is the rain! Children, the poet is very happy. He is very excited about the rain. That's why he says the rain is very beautiful. Right? After the dust and heat in the broad and fiery street, in the narrow lane, how beautiful is the rain. In these lines, the poet says the rain is washing all the dust and heat from the broad street as well as from the narrow lane. Lane means narrow road. जो रेन है वो डस्ट और हीट रिमूव कर रही है ब्रॉड स्ट्रीट से भी और narrow street से भी. Fiery means very hot because it's the summer season, right? So the rain looks beautiful everywhere, in the broad street as well as in the narrow lane. So in this stanza the poet says that the rain in summer looks very beautiful. जो समर में रेन है वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगती है. इट रिमूव्स द डस्ट एंड हीट. ये डस्ट और हीट को रिमूव करती है, राइट? एंड इट लुक्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल wherever it falls, either in narrow street or in broad street. How it clatters along the roofs like the tramp of hoofs. How it struggles and gushes out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Here, the poet speaks about how the rain is falling on the roof and what type of sound it is making. He compares the sound of the rain with hoofs of the horse. Children, roofs you know very well. Roof, chat, right? Here in these lines the poet says that the rain makes a sound on the roof. जब हम अपने घर के अंदर होते हैं तो हमें साउंड से ही पता चलता है ना दैट इट इज रेनिंग आउटसाइड. जब हमें कुछ साउंड सुनती है लगता है बारिश हो रही है, वी से राइट. Here in these lines the poet says that the rain makes a sound on the roofs and the poet compares this sound with the hoofs of the horse. पोइट ने अब रेन की साउंड को, छत पर जब रेन हो रही है, रेन ड्रॉप्स गिर रही हैं, उस साउंड को किससे कंपेयर किया है? हॉर्स के फुट स्टेप्स की साउंड से. Okay, how it struggles and gushes out from the throat of the overflowing spout. Children, spout means an opening from which water can flow. Here, the poet speaks about how the rainwater is coming out of the pipe that is coming through the roof. कि जो छत से जो पाइप आ रही है उसमें रेन वाटर कैसे फ्लो कर रहा है. एंड ही सेज it is just coming out the spout in a very high speed. Gushes means forcefully. So जो रेन वाटर है कैसे फ्लो कर रहा है? फोर्सफुली, प्रेशर आ रहा है. इट मीन्स जो स्पीड है वाटर की वो बहुत फास्ट है, राइट? Across the window pane it pours and swift and wide with a muddy tide, like a river down the gutter roars the rain, the welcome rain. In these lines the poet is describing the rain, how it looks like when the rain falls on the window pane. What is a window pane, children? Window pane means the side of window. Children, gutter means a channel at the side of a road for carrying away rain water. रोड के साइड्स पे जो ड्रेन्स होती हैं जहाँ से रेन वाटर फ्लो करता है, होती है ना, those are called gutters. Here in these lines the poet says that the gutter looks like a river. gutter एक river की तरह दिख रहा है. Why? Because it is full of rain water. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा रेन वाटर है और जो वाटर की स्पीड है it is very quick. Swift means very quick. The speed of water is very quick with a muddy tide. Muddy means full of mud. जो रेन वाटर है उसमें मड भी मिक्स हो चुका है. सो द गटर इज फुल ऑफ रेन वाटर फिल्ड विद मड, राइट चिल्ड्रन? द रेन, द वेलकम रेन. हियर द पोएट इज overjoyed. He is extremely happy. With open arms, he welcomes the rain. He says, the rain, the welcome rain. The welcome rain means rain in summer is welcomed by everyone. Children, this was all about the poem. Now do the given notebook work and book work in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, bye bye.